futhi uthi uyozama ukuchaza udaba lakho phela ukuthi hayi phela ngithumele umuntu oso ngize kumuntu oso bakutshela ukuthi akakafike. Oh, okay. Ukujika njalo lokho because kusho ukuthi njengoba uze kuloyo muntu loyo, there's no other person okungakunceda manje ngoba uze ku-appointment but bakutshela ukuthi kumele ufole. So ngiphinde ngibuyele futhi last year njengoba ngizodibana nawe sisandi. Ngithi, you know what, ithi ngibuyela but nakhona lots of people was telling me ukuthi kanjani umntana kanga qualify. People could not understand ukuthi kanjani. It didn't make sense to anyone. Like even professional people, physios, OTs, they were like, no, it doesn't make sense. Go back. So ngagcina sengithi let me just go back. Nakhona yabona ngisitshela ukuthi ithi ngiyozama futhi.
Uyalahlela nje.
Yeah, ithi ngiyozama futhi. Examine kwami futhi ngishintshe ibranch nakhona ngiye kwenye ngithi maybe because lena bathi ngconywana esingiye kuyo. Again kwami kuyo I go to the next branch ngithi okay fine, the service was much more better. Ngibuyele bangitshele ilanga loku-assesswa bekuyi-3 zaka-December ngibuyele sengihamba noNtokozo. I go there, I go and see the doctor. So the doctor SASSA told me straight that your child is not a SASSA case.
Kanjani?
I did not understand that.
That's the part I've never understood. Kanjani?
So she's not a SASSA case, meaning
Makantokozo, umuntu ongenayo ingalo akayiholi grant.
mina ngicakekile ngoba khona umuntu onganamuno mara uyakhola.